Brian and Mike, I'm going to get to you in a minute because I have a question for you. But Brian, I wanted to ask you about that. I mean, when the defense started their case, they started it with seven older men who were friends or acquaintances of the family through business, it sounded like. The fact that they did not have one friend, one coach, one teacher come up and testify on Ravi's behalf, that the first 7 people they had were acquaintances or friends of the family who a lot of people say would never have a conversation about with Ravi about what does he think about gay people. What does that say about this man that we really don't know other than sitting here and watching him? What does it say about his character and about who this defendant is to the jury if that's the best they've got?
Great question, Christy. It says nothing. That's why he should have testified. I honestly believe that if Ravi is convicted, it's because he did not testify. There's no evidence before the jury that he's not anti-gay. He needed to get on the stand and he needed to tell a story. Hey, tell a little bit about himself too. Hey, I'm a young man. I'm working hard. I'm in college. Here's what I aspire to do. And by the way, this happened, and I was taken back by it. I was just curious. He should have confronted it head on and said, look, I was a little bit curious. Maybe I was a little bit of a voyeur, but look, I'm not a gay basher, and I actually have a gay friend. And he also should have gotten on the stand and explained that text message that he sent within a few minutes before Tyler Clementi tragically jumped off the George Washington Bridge. That really could have gone to his favor to explain that look, that shows that I'm not anti-gay. I really have some compassion. And I want to ask your audience this. I hope everybody out there that's watching this show calls in and tells you what they think the worst thing that could have happened if Ravi had taken the stand. What's the worst thing that could have happened? I want to hear what everybody thinks by that, because I'll bet you that the worst thing that could have happened clearly outweighs the benefit that would have been derived from Ravi taking the stand.
All right. Hey, I welcome it. Go ahead, everybody. Tweet us, Facebook us, let us know what you think.